Hi, my name is Lito. Today I will show for you the Vegas PMU Makeup Conference.
Part of this event. We have so many things planned, so many surprises, and our goal is to not only help you learn a lot, but to have fun while you're doing it.
From a typewriter to the Word document. So we no longer have to kind of commit to a drawing on the face and then kind of get messy and erase and, you know, go through that whole process. We can just project in software, arrive at a shape that we love and we both agree and the client can see in the mirror. So it becomes more like an education and setting expectations from from the first second. Because what typically clients will do is they think their face is symmetrical, but it really isn't. So this, you're projecting a grid so they actually get to see, oh wow, like indeed, like my eyes and nose and thing are all on like different planes.
I've learned my face is very crooked.
We all learned that. You're more professional than me, so like
you can pick another shape.
Move anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can like also scroll up the lines and move it up or down. Yeah, anything you like. Like this line, if you want to move it in, you know.
If she's asymmetrical.
Yeah, I mean like.
Ooh,
this is
this is
like. Yeah. And then you can adjust the curvature of like each segment as well. So yeah, essentially it's like a tool you can move it around the canvas to line up to the face, right?
Technique other than microblading to create realistic hair strokes. It was really great at brows. I was mesmerized.
So 3% of white, red 14, and black 59. And 24% of yellow give us dark brown. And because here is a large percentage of black, it will be cold brown. So if it's very faded, we can cover up. But if it's faded partially or not faded, we have to take a step to cover up. So we have to, for example, use warm corrector first, let it heal, come back, and then we do actual shape and work on the rest. Also with correction, some clients, they think it's just like a hair. You come, they change, and that's it. It doesn't work that way. It takes steps. If you do correction, you can take 2-3 steps to achieve best result. Depends on the problem. So when people come to us with the first situation, you could do cover up, add orange to create a brown, but it won't last as long and cannot guarantee what if you need add shade. So it's already more if you need correct the shade too. Or if it's too dark and it's blue, it's the most stubborn color, you have to do removal, 1 or 2 sessions.
This device is very powerful but gentle in the same time. It features 3mm stroke, so it's perfect for the lip shading and lip contour. So I realized that only 5 pigments that you can use, and you can always mix and achieve the best version of this natural color, which I created for you. So you can always calculate the color and understand what level of darkness and which hue of this particular lips, right? Because I think it's the safest method. And what is unique about this set that it doesn't have titanium dioxide, because I believe that in some cases you don't have to use titanium dioxide, right? If the lip is not too dark, you just can use the set without adding outer white. Just they're not confident because they need to have with themselves always 3 or 4 shades of lipstick just to create this even lips, and when you see your client come back and she's walking in your studio, it's a totally different personality. And this is very rewarding, see how people get changed, after this procedure. So first I'm going to create the outline, and for these lips I would use 1RL 0.33 long taper.
A lot of pigment, your stroke should be very short and tight. And if you want to spread your pixel more, then you do longer strokes and more spread. This is how you can control the saturation of the pigment.
Should I test? Should I use yours?
Yeah.
So I will put it here. And then it's telling me that I need to use pigment 14 plus 12 plus 14 for you.
Wow. And then you have this.
And then I have those pigments. So for this event, we have a special offer. If you buy the online course, it's 1,000 for scars and 1,000 for stretch marks.
Henna is a natural hair growing agent. So you present henna to your clients as a growing agent. It grows hairs. Lawsonia plant in nature is just boosting the hair growth, conditioning the hairs. With the brow lamination, I really like doing that. I applied it on one eyebrow and literally needed to take it off. So if you tint the eyebrows in regular time, you'll use 10-12 minutes. Here, you start like, it could be in 2 minutes, then the brows will be done. When I started working with her, she's like thinner eyebrows, like very thin, and she's like, how do you do this? You laminate them and they grow. Because it's a healthy. Do you see the hairs? They're bouncing back, they're growing, so there you go, easy, right?
We'll show you videos, we'll show you all kinds of stuff, how to use the app, but you can also contact customer service in our help page.
There's a lot more of you. Very different conference. Are you ready?
I want to say something.
Our topic is soft liner. Let's give it up for Mary Lito.
I live in proud to be Canadian, and I would like to have your support for Ukraine. You always have to think about makeup just like art for your client. You have to improve their faces and make them beautiful. The sketch and mapping on the eyes. Because it's not have to be like that, right? Or like that. Yeah, it should be in the same direction.
Different style of eyeliner. Black and green. Look at this. This client as well. She was asking me soft, natural look. But she is using green shadowing, like on every day. And her eyes amazing, like green color. And she's like, oh, can you use green? I'm like, yeah, I have in my studio, we can use green, sure. And the same idea, we did black on the bottom and a little bit green on the top. Usually I'm doing these dots when my client is sitting in front of me, and I'm placing these dots usually by the crease here. And then I'm asking my client to lay down. Why? Because I should create very, very nice sketch for my client. I was showing how I'm doing perfection. And see, it's like I'm not doing line, I'm doing like just shadowing.
Looking soft eyeliner after procedure. In this video, I wanted to show for you how the soft eyeliner performed by me, and for this client, I think she will have very, very natural look. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube as well, and you will see a lot of videos like this. Yeah, I'm sharing my experience about eyebrows, lips, and eyes for free. Thank you. This one is my online course. You can scan and you can enroll for free on Snapseed photo editing. And in this video, I showing how to edit the pictures of the lips. Applause with me and support Ukraine.